Hop into the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Explore your world with confidence in the Cherokee. Its premium features keep you comfortable, while its rugged capability takes you wherever the road or trail leads. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.